Okay. We got the three things. One is N, then L and ML. Is it right? And also we have written the value of the L. And L चा formula काय दिला होता? L is square root of what? Small l into L plus 1 H cross. Is it right? H cross. This is the value of L, or the LZ we have also written, that is ML H cross. ML H cross, where you know that H cross is normalized Planck constant having value H upon 2 pi. Is it right? So what is our aim? We have to find the space quantization of angular momentum. Suppose for L is equal to 2. For L is equal to 2, we have to find the space quantization. I am taking one example. Next example you have to solve. Okay, this is first one. Space quantization for L is equal to 2 we have to take. Is it right? So when I want to take the 2, I have to find the magnitude of it, or magnitude vector L star, which will be what? Square root of L into L plus 1. From where this L star is coming? It is coming from this formula, this case. Is it right? L. So we can write this as square root of what? 2 into 2 plus 1. How much it is? How much it is?
6.
Square root of 6. Square root. What this means that if I will take L is equal to 2. Suppose if I will take L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, I will go for different orbits. For example, if you tell me the example of any element you know, एखादा एलिमेंट सांगा मला तुम्ही हायड्रोजन सोडून, की ज्याचा तुम्हाला ॲटॉमिक नंबर आणि कॉन्फिगरेशन माहिती. एखादा एलिमेंट सांगा. अरे एखादा एलिमेंट सांगा ना पिरियोडिक टेबल मधला ज्याचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे.
सोडियम.
अरे पिरियोडिक टेबल मध्ये एक एलिमेंट माहिती आहे का नाही तुम्हाला? डू यू नो द एनी एलिमेंट इन पिरियोडिक टेबल?
हेलियम.
कार्बन. कार्बनचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर किती आहे?
6. 6.
Two S2 2p6. Is it right? When you are writing, this is 1s electron. 1s electron, for that 1s you can say that L is 0. Means when L is 0 you are having s orbit. Are you getting? कळतंय का मी काय सांगतोय?
Yes.
When I will take L is equal to 1, then your orbit is P. If I will take L is equal to 2, your orbit is SP.
Yes.
नंतर कोणता येतं? D. Is it right? नंतर L is equal to 3 ऑर्बिट कोणता येईल? E. लक्षात येत आहे का? आता मी L is equal to 2 या गोष्टीविषयी बोलतोय. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये कशाचा विषय बोलतोय? L is equal to 2 means electron in which orbit? D orbit. Are you getting? So I want to find the orientation of this electron in D orbit. What will be orientation of electron in D orbit for L is equal to 2? To find the orientation, I should know the value of ML. What will be the value of ML? अरे L is equal to 2 असताना ML च्या व्हॅल्यू काय?
-2
Fastly.
-1 -2
-2
-1
-1
0
एवढे
0 1 2
1 2. How many values are there?
5
5 values are there. Is it right? You can calculate by this relation also, already given to you. 2l plus 1. Is it right? These are the number of values for ml. These are the number of values for ml. Is it right? So what we can do? Tell me. We want to draw the orientation. Orientation means what we will take? We will take the z axis. Is it right? Like this, you have to draw the z axis. I will draw it over here. This is your z axis. Is it right? This is z axis along which the magnetic field is applied. This is h bar is applied along the z axis. Okay. So along z axis you have ml values. Which are your values? 0. Then somewhere it is. Is it right? This side it will be +1. Then there will be +2. These are your ml values. Is it right? These are your ml values. Also similarly, you have -1 value, you have -2 value. These are the values. These are for what? L is equal to 2. So if you want to draw the orientation, you have to find the circle which are having radius equal to magnitude that we have found. किती magnitude आलं? √6. कारण 2 असताना मॅग्निट्यूड किती आहे वेक्टरचं? √6. √6 आहे म्हणून हे जे मॅग्निट्यूड आहे याची जी डायरेक्शन आहे that will be like this, √6. So you have to draw the circle having radius equal to √6, and then you have to plot the like this. This you have to plot. This circle you have to plot. This is the way. Is it right? So when you are having L is equal to 2, what will the orientation? You have to plot like this. Your orientation is from here to here. -1 ला orientation कुठं? Center पासून. From center here to here. Again, if you go for +2, your circle should be more. This +2 is suppose here like this, and here the +2 is here. Your orientation will be from here to here. Your orientation is from here to here like this. These are the orientations of ml. When you are having ml value +2, orientation in this direction. When you are having ml value +1, orientation in this direction. 0, orientation in this direction. If you are having -1 value, orientation in this direction. If you are having -2, orientation in this direction. So this is the space quantization, that is for each ml value, electron has its definite orientation along a particular direction with h bar. With h bar means with applied field or with applied magnetic field. In this way, are you getting? This is that is orientation is definite. See, orientation is quantized. So we are in vector atom model, we are discussing first part only. I have taken the example of electron which is present in the d orbit. Is it right? And I said that electron might have these number of orientations. Is it right? Number of orientation. Are you getting? समजताय का हे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लक्षात आलं ना? मी काय केलं, एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आणि त्याच्यावरून सांगितलं की त्या इलेक्ट्रॉनला किती स्पेस मध्ये डेफिनाइट ओरिएंटेशन असू शकतात. आर यू गेटिंग? आणि ते कसे प्लॉट करायचे ते पण मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. आर यू गेटिंग? If I will take another example, suppose I will take the example L is equal to 3. Okay, so tell me fastly आता काय करावं लागेल मला? L is equal to 3 घेतलं मी. सांगा लवकर आता. Tell me the value of L is equal to 3. how I should plot the orientation? I have to find L star. कसं find करणार?
Plus L plus.
Is it right?
Yes.
What will the value? What will the value?
12. Square root of 12.
12.
Square root of 12.
Root 12. Is it right? So what are the
Yes.
ML values?
Minus
ML
3,
values.
minus
3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and
3.
3. Is it right? How will you
Yes.
plot the orientation? Like this. This is the diagram. This is applied magnetic field. This is your z-axis. And here you have to write the ML values. So you have to take somewhere 0. And definitely, last time, whatever vector we have drawn this much vector only, because this is root 6. Is it right? For L equal to 2. But this length is more. Is it right? This length is more. It is root 12. So I have to draw somewhat big circle. Why big radius circle? Because this magnitude of L star is more. So this is your first, that is ML value is 0. Similarly, you have to go for plus 1. You have to go for plus 2. You have to, sorry, here it is minus. This side it is minus. Below 0. This is minus 3. But here positive direction it is plus 1.
Plus 1.
Here it is plus 2. Here it is plus 3.
3.
So you have to just draw these perpendiculars over here. Is it right?
Yes.
On the orbit. Is it right? And how will you draw the orientation for plus 1? From 0, you have to draw this line. This is orientation in plus 1 direction. If you want to draw the orientation in plus 2, this is orientation in plus 2 direction. If you want to draw the plus 3, this is orientation in plus 3 direction. Is it right? Similarly, in minus direction. Orientation in minus direction, this is minus 1. Orientation in minus 2, it is minus 2 direction orientation. And minus 3, it is minus 3 direction orientation. Is it right? Is it right? It's so simple, so that you can able to draw the orientation of electron in the direction of ML. Are you getting? In the direction of ML, you can draw the orientation. So quantization of the direction of L bar with respect to external magnetic field means quantization of this L, because this is the L is remaining as a total angular momentum. Is it right? It is the total angular momentum. Okay, and its quantization in the direction of what? Direction of field, which is H bar, applied field, is called as space quantization. Space quantization. This is called as space quantization. Are you getting? So each electron has its definite orientation in the direction of applied magnetic field. This is nothing but called as space quantization. This we are generally called as space quantization. Are you getting this concept of space quantization? We have considered 3 quantum numbers N, L, and ML, which determine the space quantization of orbits of electrons with magnetic field. Okay, so next part is what? Tell me what is the next part? Second part is vector atom model. What is this?
Concept of spinning electron.
So electron spin. Electron spin. Is it right? Space quantization मध्ये the orbits are quantized around the nucleus, or they are definite orbits, or orientations are definite around the nucleus. Okay, here electron spin is what? Electron is spinning in anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction. Means if you go for the quantum mechanics, Schrodinger equations are applied when we are having hydrogen atom. And we have, for space quantization, we have taken 3 numbers, that is N, L, ML. These are the three specifications, okay, which are giving the position or orientation of orbits. Are you getting? So when we are going for the spin quantization or spin, according to this, the spin of an electron is definite either in clockwise sense or anti-clockwise sense. Means if you consider a spin of an electron in presence of, obviously with the help external magnetic field, so direction of spin is definite. Is it right? For example, I have given the example of sodium. Is it right? Sodium doublet. If you take a sodium doublet, so you have taken the lambda 1 5890 Armstrong unit and lambda 2 5896 Armstrong unit. Why this happens, or why doublet splitting will occur? Due to the spin motion. Are you getting? Due to the spin motion of an electron. So when we consider the spin of an electron is also definite. So spin of an electron is denoted by the number called as S. So spin is denoted by this number. Spin is denoted the total spin. This is total spin of all electron. Remember, capital S represents the total spin, just like capital L, which is total orbital angular momentum of all the electron in a given orbit. Is it right? Small l is also orbital angular momentum, but it is not for all electron. It is for a single electron in an orbit. For example, if I will get 2p2 contains 2 electrons. So first electron having different L, small l, second electron having different small l. So small l is L1 for first electron, L2 for second electron. But if I will take combination of these two electrons, that will be the capital L. Similarly, you go for the spin. Is it right? So spin angular momentum is given as S, and its formula is just like a L bar. S is equal to square root of small s into S plus 1 H cross. Or you can write S bar is equal to square root of what? S into S plus 1 H upon 2 pi. Is it right? And the spin is always known to us. Spin is always plus minus half. Is it right? In magnitude, it is plus half or minus half. If you go for the spin plus half, you say that spin in which direction? Up. Is it right? If I will say that spin up direction, if you go for the spin up direction, if I will say that, because we have seen two formulas, S is equal to square root of what? S into S plus 1 H upon 2 pi. Is it right? Definitely this is S star. S star will represent square root of what? S into S plus 1. Is it right? Just like a L star. L star is what? Square root of L into L plus 1. Just like you are having S star, which represents the magnitude of spin. Is it right? So what I said that this S spin is always plus minus half. Is it right? So quantum number corresponding to spin, quantum number corresponding to spin is denoted as ms, small m to the base s. ms, quantum number corresponding to spin is denoted as ms, and this ms has two values only. Ms can be plus half and ms can be minus half. Are you getting? Ms can be plus half or ms can be minus half. Okay, so plus half means what? It is spin up state. Plus half means spin up state. Is it right? And minus half means what? Spin down state. Means one will be clockwise and another will be in anti-clockwise. Spin up state and spin down state means up state or down state. Okay, so this is all about the spin quantum number, which is ms. This spin quantum number is an intrinsic property, remember. Intrinsic property means what? It has two values only. Either it is plus half or either it is in minus half direction. So you are getting the quantum numbers. So quantum numbers associated with this model, because we have seen the quantum numbers associated in space quantization. We have seen the quantum numbers associated with spin quantization. Is it right? So complete set of quantum numbers of certain parameter used to decide the state of an electron. Is it right? They are called as quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? Quantum numbers are what? These are the set of certain parameters which decides the state of electron. Write down somewhere, quantum numbers. Quantum numbers. These are the set of parameters. Set of parameters which decides the state of electron. Which decides the state of electron. So certain set of parameters or certain set of numbers that decides the state of electron, that we are calling as a quantum numbers. Is it right? So which are set of quantum numbers? We are having quantum numbers as n. Write down number when n ला काय म्हणतो आपण? N is called as
Principal quantum number.
It is called as principal quantum number. Is it right? And having value 1, 2, 3 and so on. नंतर कोणता होता? Second is what? L, which is orbital
quantum number.
Angular momentum quantum number. Is it right? Or orbital quantum number. You can say that orbital quantum number. Is it right? So what are the values of it? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. What will be the last value? What will be its last value?
N minus 1.
It's n minus 1. Is it right? And next is ML. ML is magnetic orbital quantum number. Is it right? M is what? Magnetic orbital quantum number. Is it right? And what is the magnetic orbital quantum number? Have value minus L. Next value is minus L plus 1. Is it right? Minus L plus 1. Next value will be what? Minus L plus 2. Up to so on. 0. Then their value will be L minus 1. And last value will be
L.
L or plus L. मी सिम्पली कसं सांगितलं, कसं रिमेंबर करायचं? मायनस L2 प्लस L including 0. Are you getting? आणि लास्ट क्वांटम नंबर आला मग आता. आणखी कोणता क्वांटम नंबर आहे? MS. MS ला काय म्हणायचं? मॅग्नेटिक स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर. मॅग्नेटिक स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर. आणि त्याच्या व्हॅल्यूज किती? प्लस मायनस हाफ. आयदर प्लस हाफ और मायनस हाफ. MS च्या व्हॅल्यू कोणत्या आहे? प्लस हाफ और minus half. So we have to see the detail of all these numbers. Are you getting? We have to see the details of all these numbers. Means we have to see principal quantum number, we have to see orbital quantum number, we have to see the magnetic quantum number ml, and we have to see the spin quantum number ms. All these quantum numbers we have to see one by one. Then they will be end of an vector atom model. Are you getting? Every quantum number we have to see in detail. Okay, so
Yes.
this is the vector atom model. लक्षात आलंय का? मग आता याला आपल्याला प्रत्येक बघायचं आहे. वी हॅव टू सी दी each quantum number in detail. n काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो, l काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो, ml काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो, आणि ms काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो. What for a given atom, what all these quantum numbers represent, that we have to see throughout. Are you getting? Throughout we have to see it. Okay, ठीक आहे. काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे कुणाला? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का कुणाला? समजतंय का?
Yes, sir.
समजतंय ना? ठीक आहे, चालतंय. मग आता पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण हे क्वांटम नंबरचे डिटेल्स जे आहेत ते बघायला सुरुवात करू. हे क्वांटम नंबरचे डिटेल्स आले का मग एक चॅप्टर आपला साधारण संपल. हा, थोडंच राहतं. मग फ्रँक हर्ट्झ एक्सपेरिमेंट एक पार्ट आहे, आणि दुसरा जो पार्ट आहे दॅट इज द ॲटॉमिक एक्सायटेशन अँड ॲटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रा. म्हणजे साधारण पुढच्या वीक मध्ये हा चॅप्टर आपला संपल. फर्स्ट चॅप्टर वी विल फिनिश. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट वीक. ओके, सो आय विल स्टॉप. थांबायचं काय तर?